Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today I will be unboxing the Super Saiyan 3 Gotenks from Figuarts Zero. This is the front of the box. This is the top of the box. This is the left side and here is the right side. Here is a shot of the back and finally under the box. Without further ado, let's get this opened. I'm glad to see the packaging arrive safely. Fingers crossed the figure inside is just as good. There are some protective tape on the edges. You will need to remove these. Be very careful while cutting as you don't want to damage the figure. Here is the base. It is a common base, nothing too fancy. Here are some of the particle effects. Whoa, did this break off? I'm gonna have to come back to this. Let's just get the figure assembled first. A closer look at the effect, and you can see the 3 pinholes. This connects to the base and Gotenks connects to this. This is as good as we're gonna get it. And it looks like this piece did break off from here. Okay, I'll get some glue and sort that out later. Here is a look at the figure. I love the translucent look on the hair. That is awesome. Okay, let's fit this on. Guys, I'm going to bring the camera in closer. Now we need to fit the energy effects. I'm going to pause this. Be right back. Okay guys, here we go. As you can see, the energy effects have been fitted. Was a bit tricky, but we've got it right. This has to be one of my favorite figures so far. I love the way this looks. For now, I'm going to place a broken effect just so you get an idea of what the complete package looks like. Here is a 360 shot of the figure. All in all, considering this is a Chinese version of the figure, I think it's epic. I love the effects, the detail on Gotenks, and especially the hair. Just look at the way the light bounces off it. If you've been holding off getting this, I say stop and go get it now. It's that good. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you will know when I release new content. And let me know in the comments below, who is your favorite character from DBZ?